done. Yes. Who's up, baby? Hey, Hastings fam, welcome back to another vlog. Hastings fam, welcome back to another vlog. Quarantine is
Right, I'm off, see you.
guys. Quarantine is done. Oh my god, I did not think I'd be so happy to leave my she-bear. Oh, you're so cute. Guys, just know this made me realize I can't do prison. I can't do prison. So I never
quarantine you read that. Not the, you know what, I'm not gonna say it.
I can't do prison. Like, prison is not an option for me because I cannot deal. So yes, it's Saturday and we are officially out of quarantine. So the day 8 test came back negative, as I knew it would. So super excited. Today is Amira J's first official day out in England, isn't it? So obviously she hasn't been anywhere because we've been in quarantine. So today we are going to run some errands. I have to.
Why would you not let me? What is your...
No swearing on my vlog. No swearing on my vlog.
Well, technically that was blasphemy.
So guys, what was I even saying before Matt almost crashed me?
That's not even close.
Yeah, so we're running errands today. We're gonna go to, we're taking we're taking between me bear and she bear. I keep mixing up these two and calling them each other's names. Anyway, so we're going to Prime.
Amira and She-bear, you mix.
Oh! So we're going to Primark. We're taking Amira. Well, Uncle is taking her shopping today. We're taking Amira to Primark. We're gonna get some bits. If you know me, yo, Primark is just the OG. They have everything. Usually they have everything, and it's nice and affordable. Cheap, affordable. Nowadays they're more affordable because one time they used to be cheap, but they're really not that cheap anymore. Fun fact, that was one of my first jobs. Well, technically second, but that was one of my first jobs when I moved to England. If you know, you know. If you're a real OG, then you know this. So it's actually the location that I worked at. So anywho, hopefully I don't see anybody I know. I'm joking. Am I? Anyway, so let's get on with the day. After that, we're gonna go to the supermarket because I've been dying. Like, I just wanna go through every aisle. Maybe not every aisle because the supermarkets here, no joke. They're no joke. So probably not every aisle, but we definitely need to top up on formula for Amira. And I just want to have a look. Like, I just want to go and just see everything and just fat up my eye because it's been a long time since I've been in such a big. Why are you clearing your throat?
No, I'm not gonna say anything.
It's been a long time since I've just been in a major supermarket like that. Like PriceSmart has nothing on these. Okay, so I'm excited about that. And then we're gonna go back home and chill because I reckon she'll be tired by the time we've done. And this is such a cute little cottage. Look at it. Lavender Cottage. Ain't that a cute name? Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then I don't know, I might do some TikToks today. I don't know, we'll see what Amira J feels like. It was not a bright start to the morning. She was overtired, so she was really cranky this morning. Took her about, like, this is the best of her right now. You were in a good mood this morning, weren't you? Yeah. What was that? But you happy now? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, she's doing another language phone. I think it's because this one had her watching Tasmanian Devil last night, and now she's just mimicking all of his behavior.
What noise does Taz make, Mira? What does Taz do?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Anyways, so let me show you guys some scenery, and I'll see you in a bit. Yes, sweet pea.
And I see so much
People.
Mom, and so much games.
Games? Games? Where?
Mommy, know this. Know this.
I know this.
A car went this way. I was dying.
Oh, so many lanes. Yes, there's lots of lanes with lots of cars here. Yeah.
We're gonna
Yes.
go up a couple of levels.
So we're in the multi-story now, baby. And this is kind of like when we go to pick up the activity books.
Mommy,
Yeah?
what is among the game?
So a multi-story is where we park the car and then we get out and go into the shopping center. Yeah? There used to be a Burger King right here, and every day after college I would come here and chill, and I'll get the bus to there. Yeah?
Why I was outside?
Because we're going to the bank.
Come through there to see some more things and go.
Yeah. And to get to the bank we have to walk through the Lion Walk.
Oh, look at the people walking.
Everybody's walking.
Oh, look at the people. Walking. Take it back.
Yes, you have to put it back. Not getting anything in here. Uncle Matt's looking for a card.
Oh.
Where is he?
I thought, he might be in the back.
He might be in the back. Let's see. There he is. In dog years you're dead. Wow.
So many.
So many. People come here for birthdays.
People are coming to birthday.
Mm-hmm. Amira, look. They're playing the violin and the guitar. You want to see?
I think that's a fiddle, but okay.
Yeah.
Did they change on you?
Okay, pick. Amira,
Yeah.
you're gonna put, look, you're gonna put the coin, hold it, you're gonna put it in their case.
Come.
Go with Uncle. Yeah! Careful!
Well, actually, any of us to help her.
Alright guys, so we just got this pop, what did he say they're called?
Poppets or something like that.
Puppets or something like that. So I found Amira watching this thing on YouTube where it's like a pop thing, similar concept to bubble wrap, but like in a silicone form. Anyway, walking past the store and saw like a bunch of them in there, so she just got one and she made her first payment. Didn't you, baby? Did you give the man the money?
Yeah, this is superhero.
Huh?
Superhero.
You're a superhero? Why are you a superhero?
Superhero.
Okay, she's a superhero because you gave away mommy's money, that's why you're a superhero? Oh, okay, interesting. Right, so now we're gonna head to Matt calls it Primani and get some bits for Amira. I can't believe how quick.
I'm guessing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I can't believe the bank was so quick. Like I was literally in and out within seconds. Like literally. You're fast. Here, baby. I'll show the Hastings fam what you're eating. She's having a
Musty sandwich.
bacon and cheese wrap
Bacon.
from Greg's. Here, let's show them. Oh, Amira, mind your drop it. Here, hold it like this. Hold it like this. Both hands and bite. And I'm having a cheese and onion.
It's an orange.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it an orange? Whoa.
Because that's what I want to eat.
Who's that bacon? Not mine.
Guys, we're finally at the supermarket and guess what Matt is the most excited about? Matt is excited that he can park in the baby parking. Well, what would you call it? Child. I think it's a picture of a mommy and a baby, you know, which is kind of sexist.
Parent and a baby.
Is it just a parent?
She's wearing a dress. So.
Yeah, it's a mom and a baby. So yeah, anyways, oh, there's none available.
Oh, you've got to be kidding
There's
me.
none available.
There's
There's none available. So if we're going to normal parking,
No, there's a disabled round.
which is closer anyway.
Oh, no, there's one right here.
So anyways,
Well, that was disappointing.
14. We're gonna see Amira J's reaction because this is gonna be brand new for her. She's never been in the supermarkets here, like period, because we only just came out of quarantine. So I can't wait.
Where's the curb?
Find a curb, no, or if I find a curb. So I'm excited. Do not hit the one in the back.
No, I got parking sensor, but they're moving. Oh, they're moving backwards. You know, you see another car moving and you're moving as well. It just.
Oh yeah, it
just
confuses
throws
you.
off.
Ready, baby?
Yes. Buddy.
She's playing with her thing. Wow, this, guys, if you have a kid, get one of these pop things because she's been doing this. How long have we been driving? Half hour?
20 minutes, half an hour.
20 minutes, half an hour, and she's not even said a word. She has been playing with this thing the whole time. You love that? And look at the concentration. Okay, let's go.
Food. Food.
And
Food.
which one? Peppa?
Yeah.
Yay! You're loyal. You loyal.
There's a 6 there.
We'll take against our food. I'm telling you, she's a 7.
Oh wow.
I told you. She's a big girl. 7. Yes. Peppa Pig boots, high five. It's so you can walk in the woods.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Drink 10.
Guys, big up Milo. And big up instant milk powder. Coconut milk. All-purpose. You need all-purpose seasoning. Okay. Oh.
Oh, just drink it.
Hanging on for dear life. You gonna get that one?
Well, I mean, it doesn't make sense to get the small one because that's not.
Matt is trying to fit the whole shopping into this bag.
Paper bag in the country.
In Jamaica too. You paper bags everywhere. Hey love, so we are back at home, aren't we? We're back at home and I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired right now. Anyway, so we ended up getting a few bits of clothes and the supermarket was a success. I got the formula. My pinky nail pop off. I don't know if I'm gonna take them all off or if I'm going to sorry, if I'm gonna take them all off and give them a break. She didn't even look. Or if I am going to just do another set or infill or what. Yes, I'm getting it. Hang on. So this is the formula I ended up getting. It's SMA Pro and it has like vitamins A, C, D and iron and stuff. So I got that and I think it should be fine. Should be standard. She likes it. I made a bottle for her and she likes it, so that's good. Let me see if her body likes it now, if her system likes it now, because it's one thing for her to like it. Tomorrow we're going to the woods. We're gonna walk Sheba in the woods tomorrow. I'm super excited because I haven't taken her for like a proper walk since I've been here, so I'm excited about that. Mira is also excited about that because she absolutely loves the woods. She's never been to the woods, but she watches like a lot of kids adventure and stuff on YouTube about being in the woods and walking dogs and things like that, so I know she's gonna enjoy that. So I came on here to wrap up the evening. Amira J is currently eating some grapes and apples. I am actually editing, no, not editing the vlog, making the thumbnail for the vlog because the vlog is already up. Purple. It's Saturday. Yeah, all I'm gonna do is the thumbnail and put that on and just do the settings on the title and things like that and schedule it, and it will be up tomorrow. So I'm going to eat some dinner and go sleep because I have a headache. I have a headache and it's killing me. Guys, the latest thing today is this whole Popcorn and Queenie business. Now, if you know Queenie and if you follow Queenie, comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think of this whole Popcorn and Queenie thing. I mean, man, when Queenie is vexed, she is vexed, you know. When she's vexed, she vexed. Anyways, comment down below and let me know what's what. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go on Queenie's page. She still has the video up. Queen Lady Gangster, I think she's called. She basically hailed up Popcorn, who is currently in London. Hailed up Popcorn at an event in London, and he must style her, aka disrespect her, because she tried saying hi and he kind of, you know, was kind of standoffish and kind of pushed across and kind of walked away from her. So, and she was a bit like, oh really? So then she makes some videos saying, you know, him can't style her and race. So comment down below and let me know what you think about that. Anyways, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, Hastings fam. We are on our way. There's Amira J and Sheba is in the back somewhere. We're on our way to the woods now. It's kind of cloudy today, but it's not cold, which I'm super happy about. So we're gonna go have some fun in the woods. Today Sheba's day out. Yesterday was our day out, so we're treating Sheba today. Let's go. Oh, be sure to subscribe to Amira's channel and check it out because she will have a detailed experience of her day in the woods on her channel coming soon. So amazing Amira, subscribe and I'll leave the link down below. Doggy check. Mirror check. Let's go.
Yay!
Yes. Sheba has to keep up with you.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. See, even Sheba's telling you to go. See? She's saying no.
She knows she's scared.
No? Okay, jump off. And jump again. There you go.
Happy Monday. It's a bank holiday here in the UK and we're actually headed on the road right now. Just took some pictures from here. My camera screen is actually falling apart. Like the screws came out and the whole thing is falling apart. Anyway,
You found
let's
it.
get on the
Where was
road.
it?
What are you watching?
Dogs.
Dogs? What are they doing?
They're doing rude. They're rude.
They're rude? Why?
Yeah, like dogs. You see, they're rude.
On the road.
We can't come up. We're gonna have to go forward.
Who's that, baby? Are you shy? It's raining. Come, let's go inside. Look.